Good evening, everybody. Good evening, my dear traders. Today is 25th November 2020. Time now is 9:53 p.m. West African time. Okay, I want to make some analysis based on advanced method of Elliott waves on some currency pairs. Okay, this video will likely be short because I don't have time. I have still one or two things to do before I go to bed. Okay, let me start with US dollar index. This is 4 hours chart. If you watch my previous videos, you will know that there was a line below here, and I said that if I don't get below this 91.765, I will not talk about selling. And I made this very comment when the price was here. Since then, you can see it keeps going up and down, but as long as this channel is concerned, I don't have any reason to sell dollar index until I see a buy. So my target is that I'm not in the trade yet, but if I see a buy setup, I will enter. I will target 93 and 93.2. This is my target. Okay, that's for 4 hours. Then on 1 hour, there's nothing much. There's no difference on 4 hour and 1 hour. The only difference that the best target on 1 hour is here, 92.7 or thereabout. The second target is here. So that's the only difference, but it's the same chart, the same movement. When I saw this very move, I was thinking that when I saw this move and this channel is broken, I was looking for buy setup. Lo and behold, it keeps going down. Then I forgot about it. So I think if something of this nature happens again, I will likely buy. Or if here is broken and I see a buy setup, I will buy from here. I'm not waiting until here gets broke and until this trend breaks again. So that's for DXY. EURUSD. Yeah, I don't see any reason to buy EURUSD now. If the whole world is buying EURUSD, I will be watching them. I can only look for sell. I strongly believe that we're supposed to have a drop at least to this very level. So my first scenario is drop to this level. My second scenario is yet drop to a bigger level. So either 1.17, 1.175 or 1.15 area. So I'm expecting a drop, not a buy. Even if it keeps going up, I will keep watching it because I to my own idea, I don't see a buy on this pair right now. Okay, this is 4 hours. Then 1 hour, the same thing. The only difference on 1 hour is that if this channel is broken, I will look for buy, and my first target will be this line. So that's the only thing I will say on 1 hour. Then pounds dollar, the same as euro US dollar. I don't see any reason to buy pounds dollar, and this very move is so much. This is an ending diagonal. This is an ending diagonal, and this the shape of ending diagonal. So I'm expecting a drop, a break of this trend line. I will sell. First target, second target. For buying, I am not buying. So I don't see a buy. I don't see any reason to buy. Okay. On 1 hour, the same thing. Once a break of this is confirmed, I will buy. First target, second target will be deeper. Okay. Pounds yen. I expected that we will have a sell from here or from here, but it didn't happen like that. So I'm expecting a 5-wave correction, WXYXZ. So I think we're gonna have either the price will hit here and the likely hit here before it comes down, but it's gonna come down. But the issue is that I felt, if you watch my last analysis, when I saw this rejection, I was thinking that the selling will continue, but it keeps going up and breaks it. So I'm not in the market, and I will likely buy if I get something, a buy setup from here. I will likely buy, but the space is so shallow, so it's not a good idea anyway. But in 1 hour you might see a reason to buy, but in these 4 hours it's better to wait for here and here, then look for sell setup, because if you sell from here or from here, your target will be big, while your risk will be maybe somewhere here, very small. So, but if you buy from here, stop loss will be here, and risk, in fact, to buy from here is not a good idea anyway. And 1 hour, the difference that I put a channel, so we likely, it might likely go in through this channel until it gets here. We keep and watch and see how it goes. EURJPY, yeah, this is the I entered the trade here, and my stop loss was here, but I have moved my stop loss to break even. So I'm expecting a bigger move. As long as I am concerned, if you watch my previous video where I made if you see my daily chart, you can see that this very pair has completed a cycle on selling. So this very move is wave 1, and this is wave 2. Wave 3 is going. This wave 3, the target for wave 3 is 128 point something. So, but you know, it will not just move with speed in one way. It will likely take some weeks. But the message here that I am not looking for sell on pounds yen. It might hit here and make a correction, but I'll only be buying until I get to this very area. So if you're looking for sell, maybe for your own idea and analysis, or my own idea and analysis, I don't see any reason to sell EURJPY. So this is 4 hours, and this is 1 hour. So the only difference at 1 hour, I labeled the smaller time frame 1, 2. We will have 3 around here. Then wave 4 will drop. Wave 5 will go. Then we will likely have 3 waves correction before it keeps going to 128. So that's for pounds yen 1 hour. USDCAD is like pounds yen. I don't see any reason to sell USDCAD at this very point. I don't see any reason to sell USDCAD. So my idea is that this is wave 1, and wave 2 has completed at 78.6 Fibo. Though to confirm this, it helped to break this area, but the way I see the price action, I don't see it moving further down, but it's still possible to move. And well, you know, wave 2 cannot go below the start of wave 1. So as long as this very area is concerned, wave 3 is what I'm looking for, and that's where the business is. Wave 3 will be a very big move. So if the market closes above this area, I will look for buy, and if I buy, my stop loss will be here, and my target will be here. So this is a very nice trade. Don't miss it. It might delay, but it's gonna happen. So we will see something like this here. So that's for 4 hours. So I think it's only 4 hours I have on this. Then AUDUSD, Aussie dollar. You can see just like some other pays, I don't see any reason to buy Aussie dollar, Australian dollar. I don't see any reason to buy. I can only sell. If it keeps going up, I'll keep watching it. I can only sell. And if here breaks, I look for sell setup. If I get a sell setup, I will sell and target here. First target, second target is down here. But I am looking for sell. Reason that this on daily you will see the chart. This very pullback, this correction is not enough for the previous impulse wave. So as far as I'm concerned, I'm looking for another drop to complete the correction. So that is for Aussie dollar. Then on gold, I have made so many analysis on gold, but gold, if you sold the gold maybe around this area or from here, you might consider taking your profit. The target for gold, from my own analysis, the minimum target is 1782. This is my minimum target. I got this line some time ago. My minimum target is here. Then my maximum target is around 1760 or thereabout. So what I'm trying to say, I'm still expecting a drop. I forgot to label this. This is 1, 2, 3, then 4 and 5. I forgot to put the labeling, but just 1, 2, 3, A, B, C, 4, 5. So I'm expecting the correction to go further, maybe at least this area, but it will likely come to this area. But I don't think it will come to this area. I don't think. So I expect here and here. I close my gold trade here, so I will enter again if the correction comes up here. That's how to trade. You follow the market. When the move stops, you take your profit and watch for next action. Okay. Then okay, and that's the last chart I'm showing is gold. So okay, this is the live market on gold. So what we are expecting on gold is this is wave 1, 2, 3. We are looking for 4 here and 5. So that's for gold. So there are nothing to show on 1 hour on gold. So I will stop here. There are nothing to show on 1 hour because it's the same chart, the same move. You can see the end of the previous correction. Wave 1, wave 2, 3, 4 gonna come somewhere here. You get 4 somewhere here, then 5. So that's all for gold. Gold and silver is the something. I noticed something. Let me tell you something. I noticed something this day, this week. Silver and gold used to move in the same speed, but right now silver is somehow withdrawing from gold. The pace is not like what I expected on silver. I sold gold, but I didn't sell silver. I sold the silver, but it's come here and I don't see the speed again. I closed it, and you can see the drop was not much, just as it was before. So I think silver might not make a deep correction. I mean, silver might not come to the area we forecasted, but I'm still waiting. I think by now silver should have broken this low, but you can see it have not. Though anything can still happen in the market, but gold is more comfortable trading than silver these days. So I think when it's time to buy, silver might perform better than gold. That's how it happens most of the time. So I'm coming to the end of the video tonight. Trade with care. Use proper stop loss. Use proper lot size. Don't overtrade. What again? Money management is very, very important in trading. Don't overtrade. All you need to do is to learn how to trade. If you are willing to learn from us, then join our Telegram channel. We tell you the rest of the things to do. It's better to use your money, save your money, and learn. The market is not running away. It will be there. It will be there tomorrow. So why rush to trade when you don't know what you are doing? So if you know what you are doing, it's good to trade. For instance, when I saw what happened here, I said that gold and silver will do this, and it's doing exactly what I said. Because why? I have studied the market. It's not magic. It's not magic. It's knowledge. This very knowledge is what we will give you if you want to trade and join our Telegram group. Thank you. God bless you. Trade with care. Bye bye.